It's too late. I said it's too late to see that I'm the one that's ashamed. I said it's too late. It's too late. It's too late. It's too late to see. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I got this look right here, and I bet you saying the same thing that I'm saying. How I got on lashes. Well, we're going to get to that in the video. Definitely made this look go from like a 7 to a 15.5. Okay, but Boo sent me this look. Say thank you to Boo. Very festive. Yeah, you're probably like, oh my gosh, she got lashes on, and girl, I said the same thing. But we there, period. So if you like this look and you want to see how I did it, stay tuned. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I know I said I wasn't going to say it no more, but at 600 subscribers, we're doing a giveaway. And if you want to win some free stuff to look like this, then you need to subscribe. Period. It's free. I ain't asking you to pay no money. I ain't asking you to cash at me no dollars, but if you want to, it's Stacks the Goddess. 3 S's. Yeah, so, you know, without any further ado, let's just hop straight into the video. If you're interested in custom shirts like this, as well as cups, mugs, waist beads, stickers, anything you can think of, message me on Instagram and I can make those for you. It's too late. I said it's too late to see that I'm the one that's ashamed. I said it's too late. It's too late. It's too late. It's too late to see that I'm the one that's ashamed. To say that I'm insane. Tryna fuck with me, seeing it, I'm still shining like cutlery, shaping up in my Bentley, royalty, sweet Nirvana, catching up to me, wasn't fucking with me back then. Back then. Baby boy, you wasn't fucking with me. You see me shining like a diamond ring. You wanted me. You really wanted me. So like a days machine, getting upset cause you can't follow my lead. You wanted me. You really wanted me. I know it. Can you relate to things that I encountering? They got me going insane. Oh, nope. It's too late, we can't meet, demonstrate the things that I wanna take, that I wanna take. Don't be hitting my line, tryna fuck with me, seeing it, I'm still shining like cutlery, shaping up in my Bentley, royalty, sweet Nirvana, catching up to me, wasn't fucking with me back then. Back then. Wasn't fucking with me. You see me shining like a diamond ring. You wanted me. You really wanted me. Staring in my soul like a days machine, getting upset cause you can't follow my lead. You wanted me. You really wanted me.
said it's too late to see that I'm the one that's ashamed. I said it's too late. It's too late. It's too late. It's too late to see that I'm the one that's insane. To say that I'm insane. Don't be hitting my line, tryna fuck with me, seeing it, I'm still shining like cutlery, shaping up in my penny royalty, sweet Nirvana, catching up to me. Wasn't fucking with me back then. No, back then. Baby boy, you wasn't fucking with me. You see me shining like a diamond ring. You wanted me. You really wanted me. Staring in my soul like a day machine. Getting upset cause you can't follow my lead. You wanted me. You really wanted me. Follow it. Can you relate to things that I'm encountering? They got me going insane. Oh, no. It's too late. We can't meet. Demonstrate the things that I wanna take. That I wanna take. Don't be hitting my line, tryna fuck with me, seeing it, I'm still shining like cutlery, shaping up in my penny royalty, sweet Nirvana, catching up to me. Wasn't fucking with me back then. No, back then. Baby boy, you wasn't fucking with me. You see me shining like a diamond ring. You wanted me. You really wanted me. Staring in my soul like a day machine. Getting upset cause you can't follow my lead. You wanted me.
Thank you guys and girls and children all over the world for watching this video. It means a lot to me for you to have made it to the end of the video. Yeah, put jingle bells with a green heart emoji so I know you made it to the end of my video. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Might upload tomorrow, might upload the next day. But hey, if you stay tuned and you subscribe and you turn on that notification bell, then you'll know without me saying anything. Okay. That's all I have to say. Peace out until next time.